Teen saves grandpa's sushi restaurant with TikTok. I found this very interesting video on YouTube, and this is related to one of the best drop servicing niche in 2021 that I'm going to discuss today. So make sure that you stick around. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'll be sharing the 3 best drop servicing niche in 2021. These niches are going to be beginner friendly, easy to handle, and less competition. If this is something that you're interested to learn, make sure that you stick around. There are many unexplored digital services, and many of our clients are not even aware of such services. After interacting with many prospects this year, I realized that there are many services that are needed by our clients. The more digital services that you have knowledge on, the higher chance for you to close more deals in your job servicing business. When I first started doing job servicing, my very first service was video editing service. As time goes by, I realized that this service has become really very competitive. I'm not sure whether did I create the competition, especially in Singapore, or it could be just because that this service is really in demand and many freelancers are jumping into this wagon and started to provide this service. Many major digital services such as graphic design services has been an evergreen industry. Plus, there are many graphic designers, freelancers out there. So the competition is pretty steep sometimes. This year, I have discovered 3 job servicing niche that I feel that it is in demand and it has less competition. I discovered all these job servicing niches while I was serving the prospective clients in my job servicing business. Before I reveal these 3 best job servicing niche, make sure that you give my video a thumbs up, because what I'm going to share today is going to be very valuable. So at least you can do is give my video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below so that I will continue doing such video for you guys. The very first job servicing niche that has been highly requested by my job servicing client this year in 2021 is social media content. Many of my clients have been struggling to create content on social media. Majority of their business are the traditional business and they do not have any online presence. So because of this pandemic, many companies have to build their online presence in order for them to reach more of their potential customers. In order for them to build an online presence, firstly, they need to be very active on their social media platforms. And we are not talking about only one platform. Companies have to select several platforms to be active on, because most of them want to gain exposure on as many platforms as possible. To be consistently on social media, these brands need to create content on a very regular basis, and it is highly recommended for them to have a daily content. This has been a very daunting task for many of my customers. That is the main reason why I've added a new package to my job servicing business, and that is to provide social media contents. Now you must be asking me, why not social media management? I personally prefer to just create and design content for my clients and not managing the full account. What I'm providing to my clients are just content which is related to their products or services. The most common content that I often receive inquiries will be the Instagram content. So Instagram content consists of a picture as well as a written post. So these services can be easily found on Fiverr.com. I will hire a freelancer to do up all these social media contents for me, and I will just provide these content to my client. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned that these job servicing niches that I'm going to share with you today is going to be beginner friendly, and I feel that social media contents can be a very beginner friendly niche for you to start off. So if you are new to job servicing and you want to give job servicing a try, you might want to try out this service. The second best job servicing niche in 2021 will be the e-commerce product videos. I prefer to do drop shipping videos because drop shipping videos can easily obtain through suppliers. E-commerce business who is doing dropshipping, most of them have the same supplier. The most common one will be the AliExpress supplier. So when you want to promote the product videos for your clients, most of the time you can get the product images and the product videos from AliExpress itself. However, it is also depends on the client's requirements. Some clients do have the products and they want to provide you with the video instead of taking directly from AliExpress. So if your clients have some footages and also some photos of the dropshipping products, then it is easy for you to just do a video editing, hire a freelancer that specializes in doing dropshipping videos. The freelancer will help you do a promotional video. This is highly in demand because there are so many e-commerce dropshipping stores out there. And we are talking about an international market. There is another way in doing this e-commerce product video. You can request the seller to send the product to your freelancer and ask the freelancer to do a video for you. For example, this freelancer here, if you want him to help you to shoot the product video, you have to engage his premium service. The third best job servicing niche in 2021 is influencer marketing. This is the most interesting one, and many of us are not aware of such service. Many of my clients are also not aware of such service, but this service is very helpful to our client. Many brands like to engage influencer to help them gain exposure for their social media as well as for their brand. One of the most common niche for this influencer marketing will be doing a research and strategy for that social media platform. This involves the freelancer helping you to do a proper research for that company. For example, a lot of freelancers on Fiverr like to offer Instagram research. Instagram will be a more preferred platform for social media influencer because many influencers are on Instagram and many brands like to be on Instagram as well. You can see many influencers like to promote products for other brands on Instagram. Instagram is a very photo-worthy place and many consumers like to hang out on Instagram, and sometimes they like to buy products from Instagram as well. So this Instagram research and strategy plan are highly sought after by brands. While I was on Clubhouse one day, I heard from a Fiverr freelancer sharing about his gigs. So he solely promotes influencer marketing as one of his gigs. And he shared with the audience that he closed minimum 10 sales every single day. Meaning to say, he has 10 customers requesting for influencer marketing alone. And he specialized in influencer research. That means he provides customers with a list of influencers related to their industry. Another type of influencer marketing that you can promote will be the shoutouts and promotions. At the beginning of today's video, I shared that one teen saves the grandpa's sushi restaurant because of one TikTok video. This is the power of TikTok and how it can help to revive business as well. So this influencer has 600,000 followers. He just did one simple video asking the followers to support his grandpa's restaurant, and the very next day, his grandpa's restaurant was flooded with customers. So these shoutout services given by these influencers are highly sought after because they are very effective. So what a job servicer can do? If you want, you can search for influencer to help your clients promote their service, or you can hire freelancer to help you search for influencer that is suitable for your client. Either way, you are going to charge your client the management fee because you help the client to source for a suitable influencer, and this influencer is going to help your client to promote their brand. These shoutouts and promotions are available on all social media platforms. As long as your influencer that you have found have good followings and the influencer that you have found are in the same industry as your client's industry, then you can match them together. That is why I call this business a job servicing agency. You as a job servicer, your job is to match your clients and provide the suitable solution. The more digital service that I know, the better I get to promote them to my client. And it is so much easier for me to close the deal as well. Me as a job servicer will appear much more professional, and my client will recognize me as a person which can help them to grow their business. If you have any questions regarding these 3 job servicing niche, please leave it down in the comment section below. I will answer them in my next video. I would love to hear from you about these 3 job servicing niche. I hope you have a much better idea on what kind of services that you can provide to your clients. Do try out these 3 job servicing niches and let me know your experience. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!